Yo, ou la soti Zimbo Podcast, and ou konen podcast sa, nou toujap prezente anti-informasyon ki ka edo nan la vi personel pa ou. La vini sou gen kestyon, ma fe tout mwayen posib pou m ka jwen pi bon repons pou m prezente avou. Semen sa, mwen te fè an ti konversasyon avèk Fami Auguste lan, ki rete sou lot bo Florida, so nou te fèl via Zoom call. So sa ma fè semen sa, se ke ma koupe un pe piyes nan Zoom call lan, pou m ka pataje avèk nou de seri de subje ke nou te pale sou yo. On lot bagay tou, se ke fami sa gon business savon, la fini krem yo e de moun pou ka fe pou bel, map ekouraj yo cheke yo sou Facebook, website yo ou bien Instagram yo, e mda ekouraj yo sipote yo. Mem sou baka sipote yo nan mouman sa, li pa koute anyen pou reme page lan ou bien pou suiv yo sou Instagram pou ka ede yo develope business lan. Fon nou ekouraje moun ka fe business nan kominote pa nou, paske se yo men kap bay moun nan kominote an travay nan future an. So m souwete ke nou vreman reme video an, toujou pese ti bouton like lan. So, je vais mettre vidéo là pour nous. La fini m'a parler avec nous semaine prochaine. Merci.
Yeah, I talk my daughter, the older one is 14, she's gonna be 15. M'parle avec lui tout le temps, like investment. Moi dis t'as si mou m'gas assurance de vie. M'dis lo gas assurance de vie là, like your money comes at 18. I was like, when your money comes
Mm-hmm.
at 18, you need to buy a duplex or a triplex, make two people pay you rent, and then figure out what you want to do with your life. It's not money to buy, not so. Même nan stage sa, parce que sou gon assurance ou ki te nan men an ti moun, c'est à 18 ans y a pral. So,
Mm-hmm.
mwen deja bal instructions, parce que soit ki ton ti moun 18 ans avec $200,000 with no instructions, what are they gonna do? They're gonna buy a car, they're gonna go shopping, whatever. But
Makes sense.
le mwen pale avek yo, ti moun mwen yo kon am di mwen bagay my room. Mwen bagay an cham. Mwen ba an cham pou dormi. Like, you don't have a room. You know, so, like,
For real.
so,
For
and
real. Yeah, for real.
un pil moun pense like, oh, this is mean. But when the kids don't have a realistic idea of ki sa travay yo pote en terms de
Mm-hmm.
valeur, kounya yo vin pense yo gen plus valeur ke yo gen, and they're the most useless person in the house. Like,
For
you know,
real. Honestly.
what ben, what boy, what courant, like,
Free.
and you're not doing anything. So, mwen an pile paran fè fote sa, ya beze proteje ti moun nan, but mte toujou di moun, mpa elve ti moun, m'elve gran moun. So,
Mm-hmm.
it's getting them, I'm not saying to throw them into the world, but having them see the real life stuff early is going to do more for them because they're going to have a realistic idea of sa la vie en fait. Yo pa pense, oh, mwa chè jon travay part-time, I'm moving out. Parce que l'autre dit, okay, part-time, I mean not part-time, minimum wage. $10 an hour, 40 hours a week, $400 for the month, 1,600. What's rent in West Palm Beach? You know what I'm saying? So like, say bagay sa yo pou moun, yo ba jom fè kalkil sa avèk ti moun yo, yo just di, sou di yon moun pou ki sa yap fon bagay, ou pou ki sa pou yo pa fon bagay, yap pli vit kouto ke sou just di yo pa fel. So gen fwa fwa
Mm-hmm.
monte yo example, and be like, okay, wap fè $1,600, ou wal pay, you have a roommate, great. Wal pay $800. Kunya, komye pri machin nou ap kote. You're 18 years
Yeah.
old. How much is your car insurance? Kunya, ou bezwen an soti, le yon moun an soti. Mpase nan Publix, an ti sache tou leje, is $50.
Yeah.
So,
Even
like,
more. Even more.
like, so say fe timoun yo we bagay sa yo, and to make them like inactive, moun, gon live mwen li, I think it's called Outsiders by Malcolm Gladwell, and li tap, so sa li ti je nan liv lan, se ki avantaj ke timoun riche jwen avek ki avantaj timoun pov jwen like nan sos de fami. And moun riche avek timoun pa yo, like, it's like their committee. You parle avec Timoun yo normalement. Pa gen proteje Timoun nan pa gen sesi, like this is what this is what this is. En sak fò ka we, like, tout Timoun Trump li yo, suiv li nan real estate. Paske ta pa pran li depi yo de gen 13 an, 14 an, 15 an.
Yeah.
Kounya, yo suiv li nan vole. So, ta pa pran
For real.
So, men, sa nou fè nou
Yes.
men, nou travay ou se Timoun soti la, sa se pa business ou. And it's not true. Like, if you got financial problems, I'm not mba do ke game just comme exemple. C'est pour Timoun nan konen,
Mm-hmm.
li pa ka fè gagot. You know what I'm saying? Like the family's got, like it's not parce que l'autre touche kob lan ou pas jam wel se kob pa ou. So c'est même jan pour
Mm-hmm.
Timoun nan ka we kob lan se kob fami an. So I think that's a mistake nan culture pa nou fè, nou toujou gon séparation, like ou se Timoun, mwen se gran moun, ma brele tout bagay en secret. Like and pa ganyen ke secret. You not, like
Yeah.
there's so it's just being more open with them and then trying to do like a plan for each kid.
Well, my daughter says she wants to go to art school. Uh,
So I mean,
but I told her she's only 13.
Mm-hmm.
So I know that, 13 and, a few years from now, it might change because it's changed before. She
So,
told me a few things before.
qui ça voulait faire avec art school là?
Um, Not too sure.
So so in this, c'est ça, like, ou même compagnon quand il explore, right? So, qui travaille va faire
Mm,
avec art là? What's the potential earning capacity? It's like one of the worst things I ever see is football. In America, dans les États-Unis, you fait like n'importe, I don't know, 20 million petits garçons noirs by toute énergie dans
mhm,
football. And then in reality, there's only like 500 slots. You know what I'm saying? Versus,
mhm.
c'est, s'il veut faire un artist, and get 1 million moun qui peut faire artist, mais get 500,000 job, like you have a good 50-50 shot of getting, like, so there's some things that you can always do. Et nous, il y a toujours travail pour compte li. But, ça me encourage au fait, pendant qu'il 13 ans, c'est pour chercher, expose her to the artists and things like that, pour le ouais, si son bagay qu'elle a pas bay tête li manger vrai. You know what I'm saying? So,
Okay.
it's just one of those things, like, there's nothing wrong with it, and it's like, okay, so peut-être, like, it's like if you wanted to be a rapper, right? So, peut-être ou ka fel, peut-être ou pas fel, mais plutôt apprendre un bagay pour s'il pas marcher, chaque jour ka manger. So, it's just one of those things that's like, okay, you want to be an artist? That's great. And to be honest, the way I see the future going, like, my daughter plays the trumpet and the guitar. I encourage her to be a musician. And that's why when commencé the retirement account for her early. So even if she doesn't make a whole bunch of money when she's old, she'll still be fine, right? So
Okay.
these are the kind of things like Sukone who kind of navigate the waters a different way. So
Mhm.
mba di qu'il pa ka fait artist parce que s'il fait artist, li ka, I don't know, she could do her own like comic book strip where people pay just to see what she's gonna do next. Like there's a lot of opportunity with creativity now parce que en pile moun ou ka pala avec un pile moun pour 2-3 dollars. Like when I boost my
Mhm.
videos, it's like $1 a day. So it's just trying to find how like, don't let her get to be 18 saying I want to be an artist, and that's the first time she's being exposed to the working part of art. Like, so she needs to find
Mm.
people who are currently working as artists. Pakite timunu na may tranche, no, like that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying,
Right,
like,
right,
yeah,
right. I
yeah,
get it.
yeah. But she needs
I
to
get
find
it.
people, and they're gonna be around. If you Google artists near me, you'll find artists, and then be like, okay, my daughter wants to come out, and let the artist tell her, like, this is what I do, this is what's going on. Like, does she want to do into graphic design like on a computer, or does she draw by hand, or like,
He draws by hand.
so, like, are people buying that, or can she do that digitally and create like animation, right? So even at
Mhm.
13 years old, if she can create animation, I would encourage her. Hey, you know what? You're 13. I would try to find some of the tools. 'Cause I know Mac does tools where you could draw and then it becomes on the computer. But like, hey, create some stuff. Like if it's gonna be like animation, let's put it on YouTube and see if people can. Because people are making real money on YouTube, so that's not like a fake job, like,
Right,
So
right.
it's just trying to find ways to get her going early, so that way, if it's not working out by the time she's an adult, then she could be like, I gave it a good shot, or I'm gonna put it on the back burner, and it's what I'm doing next. So I don't think it's good to kill the kids' dreams. Like
Mhm.
it's good to help them kind of figure it out also.
Yeah, I'm all for, I'm big supporter. We are.
So, but yeah, so try to help her grow it now, because, and also, like, I keep telling my daughter who doesn't listen, I'm like, hey, if you're gonna play trumpet,
Mhm.
put the trumpet on YouTube, put the guitar on YouTube, put it on Instagram, because the future of the person, I think the future is gonna lie in personal brand. This whole thing about
Mhm.
everybody going to Macy's, Bloomingdale's, whatever, like, that's dead. It's gonna be,
Yeah.
I like Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj said buy this. This is what I'm buying. So work on your,
Mhm.
So if they start now, when everybody else is starting at 18, 20, she's already going to have like 5 years of working on that. So even if she only,